You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. I love this word. It's very confusing and it comes from French, which is probably why I love it. The pronunciation in English is as allies. British English and American English pronunciations are similar, so it is actually pretty straightforward once you know. Allies. The allies. The allies. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.